Alam niyo, naawa ako kay Mark Paquin. Okay, alam ko medyo late na 'to kasi recently ko lang rin nakita yung tweet ni about this. Na parang they're saying na nalulungkot sila na their show didn't do well pero parang tanggap naman na nila, parang ganyan. May line pa nga si Mark Paquin na sinabi niya na, "I know we've lost." Kumbaga for him to accept that, ako nga as a quote-unquote fan, kaya siya quote-unquote kasi to be honest, hindi ko pa rin napapanood yung show nila. But that's also because late talaga kami sa pagpapanood ng BL because we react to BLs nga on my YouTube channel. So kung ano yung mga natatapos na, yung palang yung nauumpisa namin. Nakakalungkot lang, especially for Mark Paquin. Kasi as a BL fan, we've seen him in numerous successful BLs where he always played the friend, the sidekick, or a side couple, ganyan. Mas nakita naman natin yung potential niya. We have been yearning for him to have his own like BL partner, kung kani-kanino na siya sinip. Tapos when he finally got that partner, when he finally got that starring role, nag-flop. Alam niyo, para I'm putting myself in his shoes na kung sa akin mangyari yun, mapapaisip ka rin no, na pang background lang ba ako? Hindi ba ako pang bida? Bakit ganun? Kapag hindi ako yung bida, successful yung series. Pero nung ako na yung nagbida, biglang hindi. Anong mali? Ako ba? Siyempre mapapatanong ka ng ganun, di ba, kung ikaw si Mark. As for naman kasi, medyo baguhan pa siya as compared to Mark. Pero, he had potential kasi apakagwapong bata and marunong naman umarte. I don't know what went wrong with their show. Again, I haven't watched it. But kung sila na mismo yung nagsasabi na it's not the result that they expected, siguro there was something wrong internally. But I still do believe in this coupling, in this ship, yung kay Mark tsaka kay kasi parehas na gwapo, parehas na marunong umarte. They have chemistry off-cam from what I've been seeing. Maybe this wasn't just the material for them. Hindi ko alam actually. Baka kailangan nila ng mas magandang material or like a supporting cast that will also lift them up. I don't know. Yun lang, nakakasad.